Welcome to PromptROI, one of the most powerful writing tools available online. In this video, I'll give you an overview of this robust platform. Starting at the top, you can always return to the homepage by clicking on the logo. The homepage displays all the prompts we've published. As you scroll down, more prompts will continuously load on this screen. If you wish to refine your search, use the search tools on the left side. You can search using keywords or check a box here next to a category. The best place to start is to click on Start. You'll see what we call the big three. When beginning with PromptROI, it's best to run these three prompts first to define your primary target audience, brand voice, and any custom instructions. These three pieces of customization allow you to create truly amazing writing results that sounds exactly the way you want it to sound and not like some strange AI robot. Next, navigate to the Profile area to add these elements to your PromptROI app. In the Profile section, you can input your audience, brand voice, and instructions. Simply paste in the instructions summary you got when you ran the big three here in the instructions area, then give them a title. Now back on the home page, when selecting a prompt, you can choose from a drop-down list for enhanced customization of your writing outputs. You'll see brand voice, custom instruction, and target audience ready to customize any prompt in the app. Here at the top, you can also select from one of three large language models: ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, ChatGPT 4 Turbo, or Claude 3. To run a prompt and get your writing done in seconds, simply enter the required information into the variables and click the Generate button. If you're unsure what to input, click the small eye icon for well-written helpful tooltips that guide you. Once you run a prompt, the results will appear on the left, and you can copy the text by clicking the Copy button that will appear here. Your prompt runs are stored in your Profile area, where you can see total runs at the top. Below, you can search for past prompts by name here in this search field. Then click View History to review any past inputs or outputs, and access the most recent results on the left for easy viewing. An additional feature on the main page is the ability to favorite prompts. Simply click the heart icon on a prompt card to add it to your favorites, accessible via the heart icon on the left or the favorites link at the bottom of the categories list. For me, these are mainly prompts for creating new AI prompts. It's like Inception. In the same area, you'll find our social channels, including our YouTube channel with 97 videos to help you get going even faster, our Facebook group for user interaction, and all the important information going back to the beginning of PromptROI, and any in-app notifications can be accessed by clicking the bell icon right here. At the top, we have the AI chat tool. Here, you can start a new chat and choose from multiple AI models via this dropdown. For the fastest text, use 3.5 Turbo. For higher quality, more creative text, choose 4 Turbo. Claude 3 competes well with GPT-4 Turbo and continues to improve over time. DALL-E 3 is available for instant image generation, and GPT Vision allows you to upload and analyze images, answer questions about them, or create new text based on the image content. Below, you can write your commands here in this field. On the right-hand side, choose from several options. The envelope icon sends the message and runs the AI chat request. The plus symbol allows you to integrate your brand voice and custom instructions into a chat for tailored output. This microphone icon right here enables voice commands, so you can just say what you want instead of typing it out. In GPT Vision mode, you can upload a photo using the corresponding icon here. Simply click Upload a photo from your computer and run the request. Next, let's explore copilots, which blend AI chat with specialized knowledge for interactive, tailored assistance. Unlike the broad capabilities of general chat or the single-use nature of prompts, copilots engage you in dialogue to accomplish specific tasks effectively. This dynamic interaction allows you to guide the AI in real time, refining results to achieve outstanding outcomes tailored to your needs. Whether crafting documents, strategizing, or seeking expert advice, copilots provide a conversational interface that adapts and evolves to meet your goals. In the toolbox, find tools for quick tasks using AI technology such as voiceovers and image generation with DALL-E 2 or DALL-E 3. Stay tuned for more tools currently in development. Visit the training area at the top for onboarding videos and helpful documents to maximize your use of the PromptROI platform. Lastly, the support option allows you to start a new chat for any inquiries or feedback. We're here to help and love hearing from you.